Yo, what's up, all 22 of yous? Oh, God. What's going on? Man, if you guys saw what I did today, you guys would be like, this guy's nuts. This guy's got something wrong with him. Whew, holy shit. What a busy day. What a busy day. First day at the gym, that was number one. And yeah, and then mate, it's like I don't even know what the temperature was today. I'm just gonna bring this up. What is it? Weather. Man, it was hot today. Man, it was. That's bullshit. No way. They reckon it was 26 degrees today. My ass, it was. No. Sound seems low. Oh, fucking hell. Yeah. Because of Discord last night. There you go. Yeah, there we go. Holy crap. What a crazy day. It was only 26 today. But Jesus, it was bloody hot, guys. It was bloody hot. How's the sound now? Does that sound better? I'm just borderlining on the. That's better. Okay, cool. Woo. All right, let's see what we get. Do you reckon we're going to go down today? That's better. Better. Thanks, guys. Appreciate it all. Love the support. Hot at 26 degrees? Yeah, I know. Trust me, dude. It was fucking roasting today. I don't think that's right. There was no wind. I'll have a look to see what the other... Oh, no. Yeah, here we go. Okay, the true temperature was 31 degrees. Texoma, what's up, dude? It was 31.3 degrees today for pretty well most of the afternoon. So I got back from the gym, had to go do some errands. I got back at like 12 o'clock. And then from 12 o'clock onwards, and for the last 4 hours, I've been out there digging these damn trenches and stuff. In fact, I've actually got a concrete truck, like literally 10 meters from my back door, and they're pouring the footings for my shed right now, and the boys are out there doing that. Yeah, so it's 1 degrees in Chicago. Oh, chilly 1 degrees. Well, I hope you enjoy it, mate, because I am roasting here. Absolutely roasting. Anything more than 23 degrees is too hot for me. Yeah, no, look, I do love the heat, but yeah, when you're grinding hard and working hard in it, yeah, it can be pretty full on. And when you get out and you have a nice shower and you get cleaned up, it's like, damn. I get to see the market manipulation yesterday. Never have I seen so many headlines of mostly nonsense. Oh, dude, did you see all the nonsense yesterday, guys? Don't you turn on your AC? Yeah, my AC's on right now. It's pretty cool in here. I think it's like 22 degrees inside my house, but I personally am still roasting hot. Yeah, guys, the manipulation yesterday. This was gnarly. And you know, I did the live stream in the Discord, so that was pretty cool. I actually had like 5 people come to that, which was bloody amazing. And we just really we understood the assignment that there wasn't going to be a big move in the US. And as you can see down the bottom left hand side of the screen, I have my 3 accounts down here for you guys ready to go so that you can see it. Yeah, I ended up finishing up all the evals up $4,600 each, which was really cool. So they're halfway to being what do you call it? Halfway to being passed. And yeah, so it was actually pretty cool. I just caught the move. It was this move here. So it was a bit of a shitty trade. I'd say it's a little bit of a gamble trade. It just made sense that they wanted to come and grab these and these highs here. And yeah, basically waited for this pullback. We swept these lows here, and then we went up. and I went down to the 1 minute time frame, found an IFVG. There was this 5 minute IFVG here. I entered here and basically took a long straight up into this. But I started scaling out of it because it just was struggling to find momentum. It was going up, but it wasn't fully going up. And then once we pretty well tapped this orange line that I got marked out, I pretty well scaled out of everything. I went more than break even. I trailed the stop. And then I just let this thing pop. And it popped up like this, and then it wicked back down. And I just went, you know what? I'm like, I reckon this is going to fail. So I just pulled the pin on it. And we got out for 4,600 on each account, which was great. So, yeah, I don't know what we're going to find today. I'm wondering whether or not today just might be a bit weird too, because I noticed these news events, right? So here's our news. So Tuesday is all Euro news, right? And the first one starts, I think, in 2 hours and 10 minutes roughly. So I don't know. I'm just wondering whether or not, like, I don't know if we're going to see much today. I'm curious. We've got a very tight range. This Asia range is 31 points. It's not too bad, actually. 31 points. Tight is under 13 points. If you see the Asia range on the ES do 13 points, that's damn tight. That's a no trade day, that one. The oil and the ES 5 minute before that massive candle is insane. Yeah, so what ended up happening with the oil in the end? I think she ended up recovering, didn't she? I thought. Yeah, she recovered a little bit. Yeah, so she slam dumped. Yeah. The old VIX, though. The VIX slammed. The VIX opened up like all the way down here, and I was like, holy shit, we might see sub 20 VIX soon. And then, yeah, she's still sitting around there. Yeah, man, it would have been nice to be in the long when that thing played out. I'm sure there's plenty of traders out there right now. I bet you there's plenty of traders out there right now going, bro, I just pressed long, and then I made like 100K. You accidentally longed the pop on gold before the double the size. Yeah, right. GG, dude. All right. Well, hopefully try and see if we can get a sweep here. I don't know. We might not. We might not get something. But See, like, look at all the Mag 7 yesterday, guys. See, nothing happened after that move. I don't know, like, yeah, Troy. I think Troy said it before. Hey, Jai, what's up, dude? Tixoma says, I was in at the beginning and along. However, once I saw the initial pop, I assumed it was a quick manipulation up. So I jumped out. Oh, dude. If only you had the strength to just sit there and go, I'm gonna give this 2 minutes. Oh yeah, I just gotta go for a sec. Hang on, someone's at my back door. Some of the trade. Yo! Alright, so guys, I'm back. All the concrete is finished and yeah, sick. Get smoked, what's going on? Interesting, Troy. This just gets it more and more interesting by the day. I mean, I gotta be honest, like, what are we all looking at? Like, I'm pretty sure there's not much to be looking at, eh? We'll have to bring up Bookmap, check out some liquidity levels, see what's left over from yesterday. But yeah, there's really not much to go off of here, man. Really not much to go off of. Not much has happened. Nice little week off that new week opening high. I can see yesterday's New York session was a good one based on your balance. Thanks, Get Smoked. Yeah, dude. So I'll just show you quickly what I took. So off New York Open here, I was looking for basically two things. I was looking for a draw on this level here and a sweep of that for further continuation up. That was one of the things I was looking for, but it didn't really happen. And then the other one that I ended up spying was this one. So obviously, or this one here. So I was like, okay, we're starting to trend up. The SPY and the QQQ looked really good, and looked like it was really wanting to pump higher because it had already done its pullback, and it was coming back into some major levels. So I was like, all right, it looks like the draw on liquidity is probably going to be this level here. So I've just got to find an entry, right? Well, funnily enough, I took a short when I was wanting it to come back down here, and I went short at this first inverted fair value gap, this one right here, and I was targeting that low there to either go break even or just take it off. And then, as you can see, I got stopped out. I had pretty tight risk on it, so it wasn't too bad. And then that's when this swept. So this equal lows here got swept with that, and then we inverted this here, and I believe on the 5-minute time frame we had, what do we have here on the 5-minute? Yeah, we had a 5-minute FVG just prior to the open, which is here, and that's what that wick tapped into. So I was like, okay, I'm just going to follow the trend here, and I'm just going to take this long. This is the shit that I'm trying to do on London, but I just never have the balls to do it. My other model just works out normal. So I actually went long here, somewhere around here, stop loss below that thing, and then I pretty well just took it up. I rode it up to around here somewhere. It was about 100 points, 113 points. Ended up being 4,600 on each account, which is great. And then I just pretty well went to bed after that. It was pretty good. It was a good trade.